told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Njoki, but you can call me Zippy. Here is the bedroom reveal. Now when you open the door, the first thing that you see is the bed, and that's how it's looking. Honestly, I think it's looking so cute. I love how it turned out. I love how the pillows look. I decided to go for this design of pillows because I think I like it more that way. Look at that, guys. Look at that. I really love it. I honestly do love it. Right next to the bed is the window, and I have opened it, plus the curtains, and that's how the curtains are looking. And I think they kind of match the whole bed situation. The curtains and the whole bed situation, I think they kind of do match a little, which is something that I really love. Right at the foot of my bed is my shoe rack, and on that side of the wall I decided to put on wallpaper just to have it looking a little different. And don't judge how the wallpaper is looking. If it's not matching, don't look too keenly, because that's the best I could have done. And also the wallpaper didn't get to reach chini kapsa because, well, I worked with what I had. That's how the shoe rack is looking. At the top of the shoe rack has my hair products and everything hair and everything face. And then the second shelf has my laptop and my handbags. Then the rest have my shoes. So at the top of the shoe rack, I put a hanging wood there, and the hanging wood is holding a doll, a shell, and some few other small shells that I got from Malindi, and also a vase that I'm supposed to get flowers for. I haven't found flowers that fit that vase. That's why it's still empty, but I'll get flowers very soon and put it up there. So this is how everything is looking, from the window to the wall, the shoe rack. And I didn't, my wallpaper didn't fit like the whole wall, so I missed that point, but I've hung my bag there, my two bags, with a sticker. So that's how everything looks like. That's how everything has been organized. And yeah. Tell you what, now this is my favorite side of the wall. It's giving me good vibes. I love these frames, because you got this. You got this. Live in the moment. And lastly, it's okay not to be okay. And right above these frames, I hang photos. I have hanging photos up there. They're also very encouraging. I love reading them. I love looking at them. One day at a time, trust in God, faith, and everything nice. Look at me there. Look at me slaying. You're beautiful. You are enough. Keep smiling even through the sad days. Be gentle with yourself. Live. You are wonderful. I love everything that is going on there. I have 12 of these photos, of these hanging photos, and I love them. I love them so much. And that's how everything is looking from that side of the wall. The hanging photos plus the frames. I love everything that's going on. It's everything I wanted. So right next to the bed, like few inches away from the bed, I have this portable wardrobe that I've put my clothes in there. and it's a 2-column wardrobe. That's how it looks like when it's open. That's how I've organized my clothes. It's giving me vibes of I got it together. And that's how also it looks like when it's closed, so that you have your clothes secured in there and whatnot. On the side of the wardrobe, there are these 2 pockets that I've used to put my Uzi for African threading and my cotton wool. And then there's this side. From this angle, you see my mirror. This is directly opposite to the door. Also, when you open the door, you'll see the mirror. That's what you're looking at in the mirror. And right below the mirror, like literally right below the mirror, there's my bedside table, and that's how it looks like. I spray painted 2 sides of the mirror to have it look a little different, and also I put butterflies around it and on top of it, but sadly they only glow in the dark, and since it's mchana you won't see them glow. They are luminous, so yeah, there's that. I put a mat right next to my bed, and next to it also there's that bedside table, and this is a closer view of how the bedside table looks like. I already did a video showing you guys what's in there, so I'm not going to do that today. But on top of it, as you can see, there are those fake plants, that fake plant, my earbuds, and my mirror, my small mirror. That's how it's looking, and I think it looks really cute, and I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. So this is how everything looks like: the wardrobe, the mirror, and the bedside table. That's how that side of the room looks like. This is my laundry basket, my small little cute laundry basket. It's right next to the wardrobe. Na iko na some few clothes in there, but hizo hata ni kidogo. It's pink in color. I love that shade of pink. I do love it. This is my lampshade. I went for color white because I wanted my room to look bright because of my YouTube videos. I didn't want any other color for that reason. And there goes my bed switch. It's been pinned on the wall and drops right next to the bed. So this is the overall look, guys. This is how everything is looking. Let me know in the comment section down below what exactly you've fallen in love with, because personally I love the pillows and the hanging photos. I think they're just giving me a good vibe, like everything nice kind of vibe. I don't know, I just love how it looks like. So we've come to the end of this video, guys, and it's been a beautiful couple of weeks that we've shared while decorating this small space of mine. I've really enjoyed doing this. I hope you guys have also enjoyed the journey of this project. If you haven't watched the videos that I'm talking about, if you don't know what I'm talking about, I will leave the links to the videos in the description box down below so that you can check out those videos and see the spots that I got the things that I've used to decorate my small space. If you've liked this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also share with a friend or two to give other people ideas. Tell me what you think in the comment section down below, and of course don't forget to subscribe. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in another video. Bye bye.